Temptations are everywhere. Whether you are fresh out of college or navigating your career, be aware of these expenses to keep more cash in your pocket and build a future you are proud of. Number 1. Designer clothes or sneakers. Designer brands often look appealing, flashy logos, stylish designs, and the idea of making a statement. But here's the hard truth. Paying a premium for branded clothes or sneakers doesn't always mean you're getting better quality. Most of the time, you're just paying for the name. For young people, it's easy to fall into the trap of buying these items to impress others or feel like you fit in. But think about it. Will that $300 pair of sneakers really change your life? Probably not. And the worst part? Trends come and go quickly, meaning today's must-have item will likely be forgotten in no time. Instead, focus on quality over labels. Many affordable brands offer durable and stylish options without breaking the bank. Plus, when you stop chasing trends, you'll realize that confidence and financial stability are far more impressive than any logo on your clothes. Use that saved money to invest in your future. Start a savings fund, build a small investment portfolio, or even take a course to develop new skills. Trust me, the cool factor of financial independence lasts much longer than any pair of designer shoes. 2. Luxury travels. Traveling is one of the best ways to broaden your horizons and create unforgettable memories. But here's the thing, you don't need to go all out on luxury vacations in your 20s. Fancy resorts, 5-star hotels, and private tours can drain your wallet faster than you realize. For young people, especially those just starting their careers or managing student loans, splurging on luxury travel can set you back financially. Instead of focusing on expensive destinations or high-end accommodations, think about what really matters during a trip: the experience, the people, and the memories you create. The good news is, you don't need to spend a fortune to travel. Look for budget-friendly options like hostels or affordable Airbnbs and hotels. Take advantage of travel discounts, off-season deals, and budget airlines. Planning your trip yourself instead of relying on luxury packages can also save you a ton of money. 3. Expensive jewelry or watches. Expensive jewelry and high-end watches often carry a sense of prestige, and they can be tempting purchases in your 20s. Whether it's a luxury timepiece or a diamond necklace, the appeal lies in showcasing success or treating yourself. But here's the reality: these items are rarely good investments. Most luxury jewelry and watches lose value as soon as you buy them. Unless you're a seasoned collector with an eye for rare pieces, it's unlikely you'll see a return on your investment. Plus, the cost of insuring, maintaining, or repairing these items can add up quickly. For young people, it's important to think about the true cost of these purchases. Spending thousands on an accessory might feel rewarding in the moment, but it could delay reaching bigger financial goals like saving for a home, starting a business, or investing in your future. Instead, focus on buying affordable, stylish pieces that fit your lifestyle without breaking the bank. You can still look polished and put together without the hefty price tag. Later in life, when you're in a stronger financial position, you'll have the freedom to indulge in such luxuries, if they're still important to you. Number 4. Business class or first class plane tickets. Flying business or first class sounds luxurious: comfortable seats, gourmet meals, and exclusive perks. But let's be honest, is it really worth the extra hundreds or even thousands of dollars for a few hours in the air? For most young people in their 20s, the answer is a resounding no. When you're just starting out, spending big on premium flights can severely dent your budget. That money could be used for far more impactful things, like building your emergency fund, investing in your future, or even taking multiple economy-class trips for the price of one first-class ticket. Think about it this way: once the flight is over, all you're left with is the memory of extra legroom and a fancy meal. Meanwhile, the financial hit could linger for months, especially if you're using credit to fund the upgrade. Instead, look for ways to make economy class more comfortable. Invest in a neck pillow, bring your favorite snacks, and download entertainment for the flight. If you really want to enjoy the perks of business class, save it for special occasions, maybe as a reward once you've reached a major financial milestone. 5. Uninformed investments. Please keep in mind, this is not financial advice. Investing is one of the smartest things you can do in your 20s. But there's a big catch. Investing in things you don't understand can quickly turn into a financial disaster. Whether it's jumping on a hot stock tip, buying into trendy cryptocurrencies, or following what you see on social media, making uninformed investments is a risky game. The problem is, many young people get caught up in the hype. Friends or influencers talk about their big wins, and you feel the pressure to get in on the action. But without doing your homework, you could end up losing money, or worse, getting stuck in scams. Before investing in anything, take the time to educate yourself. Understand how the market works, what risks are involved, and whether the investment aligns with your goals. If it's something complex, like cryptocurrency or real estate, start small or seek advice from a trusted financial expert. Remember, investing isn't about quick wins. It's about building long-term wealth. Stick to what you know and gradually expand your knowledge. Diversify your portfolio and don't put all your eggs in one basket. Most importantly, if an investment opportunity sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Purchase number 6. Fancy dinners or expensive restaurants. There's nothing wrong with treating yourself to a nice dinner occasionally, but making it a habit can burn a hole in your wallet. Fancy restaurants and high-end dining experiences often come with steep prices for small portions, fancy plating, and the ambiance, not necessarily better food. For young people, especially those trying to build savings or pay off debt, frequenting expensive restaurants is an easy way to overspend without realizing it. A $50 dinner here and a $100 celebration. There might not seem like much, but it adds up fast over the weeks and months. Instead of splurging on luxury dining, look for more budget-friendly options. Explore local eateries or food trucks that offer delicious meals at a fraction of the cost. Cooking at home is another fantastic alternative. You can recreate your favorite dishes, enjoy the process, and even invite friends over for a more personal and fun experience. Number 7. Credit card splurges. Credit cards can be a helpful tool when used wisely, but they can also lead to financial trouble if you're not careful. It's easy to swipe your card for things you don't really need, thinking you'll pay it off later. But those impulsive splurges can quickly pile up, leaving you with a hefty balance and sky-high interest rates. For young people, credit card debt is one of the most common financial traps. It might start with small purchases, trendy clothes, gadgets, or nights out. But over time, it grows into a financial burden that's hard to escape. The key to avoiding this? Treat your credit card like cash. Only spend what you can afford to pay off in full at the end of the month. And if you're tempted to splurge on non-essentials, take a step back and ask yourself, do I really need this? Will it help me reach my financial goals? A better way to use your credit card is for planned, necessary expenses, things like groceries or gas, while taking advantage of rewards or cashback offers. This way, you're building credit without falling into debt. 8. Lavish parties or clubbing. Clubbing and throwing parties can be a lot of fun, especially in your 20s. But when these nights out turn into a habit of over-the-top spending, they can seriously derail your financial goals. Bottle service, cover charges, fancy outfits, and rounds of drinks for friends add up quickly. Before you know it, you've spent a week's paycheck on one night you can barely remember. The pressure to keep up with friends or social media can make it feel like these extravagant nights are essential. But the reality is, there are plenty of ways to have fun without breaking the bank. Instead of hitting pricey clubs, consider hosting casual get-togethers at home, exploring local bars with no cover, or attending free community events. If you still want to enjoy the nightlife, set a budget for how much you're willing to spend. Leave your credit card at home and take only the cash you can afford to part with. This way, you can enjoy yourself without waking up to regret the next morning, not just from a hangover, but from a drained bank account. What would you add to this list? Let me know in the comments. This channel is designed to make financial education accessible and fun for everyone, kids, teenagers, and young adults. Share this video with your friends, family, or even your kids, and help them build strong money habits for a brighter future. Thanks for watching.